Skittles.
This is what happens when you're bored and
You
have
Skittles.
a bag of Skittles, and we stick them in the microwave.
Do you think it's okay to eat?
Do it. I'll eat it. Are they hot? Give me one. Hold
Eat
on.
one.
Hold my peanut butter.
Okay, this is me eating a Skittle from
Peanut
the microwave.
butter!
Are they hot?
Peanut
Ow, they're gonna
butter!
Why you gotta eat the red one? You got Skittle on your peanut butter. You got peanut butter on my Skittle. Okay. That's kind of nasty.
It's like,
Don't
like
try it.
Skittle hair.
That tastes like cotton candy when it's all hard.
I wonder what the goo tastes like. The goo's hard.
Don't lick it, you douche.
Ew, why is it greasy like that? Because it's not.
Ah, it's hot.
Skittles!
Taste my rainbow.
I want another one.
You can get the other green shell.
Okay. Feed it to me.
I look like your mother. Ow!
Back inside. Hey, it smells like rainbows. Smell it, smell
I didn't
it.
know what a rainbow smelled like.
Skittles, duh.
It smells good.
Dude, no, Dad's gonna open the microwave and be like, why does it smell like Skittles?
Why does it smell like rainbows? Where'd my cat go? Eek!
Hey,
Come here, baby.
See some puss on puss action?
Oh God, where did my cat go?
Oh God, she's probably pooping all over.
Oh man, since we were outside for like 5 seconds, this is where my cat now is. In the bathroom.
Wicked.
Oh crap, she's going behind the dresser. Or not dresser. Wow, I said dresser. What's wrong with me? Cindy, come here and hold my peanut butter.
Ah!
Hold my peanut butter,
No.
please.
No.
I need to get my pussy. Guys, gotta try this. Yo on the go smoothies. Really good.
Hey Sam, be my guinea pig.
No. Dude, it's like fruit roll-ups. That's how they make fruit
Skittles. Taste the rainbow.